We are really pleased and happy to inform you that we have signed this morning the contract with all of the sellers of the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange and are now the new majority shareholder of the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange. Of course, we have to wait for the formal approval by the competition office, but we are convinced that that will be the case within the next 60 days. I would also like to personally assure you that we are extremely pleased about having won the bid for the stock exchange in Ljubljana. From today, the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange is the third member of the CE Stock Exchange Alliance, which we have built up in the meantime. That means Ljubljana, Budapest and Vienna. I firmly believe that all three exchanges will work together closely, very closely in the future. Today we want to describe our plans for Ljubljanske Stock Exchange in just a few words. First of all, I would like to stress the following. First, the Slovenian capital market has achieved substantial progress in recent years, and the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange is a dynamic exchange in growing markets. Second, there is need, as you all know and have often reported, for action regarding the products and the improvement of liquidity at the exchange. And third, the Vienna Stock Exchange understands its role as that of a long-term investor and is not interested in just maximizing short-term gains. That means we are interested to improve the whole Slovenian market, and we want to improve products and liquidity at the exchange in Ljubljana. In the short to medium term, we plan to support the management of the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange in the following areas. We want to introduce structured products such as certificates, warrants and ETFs, and to raise liquidity through the acquisition of new market participants. We also want to attract the attention of international investors to the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange as fast as possible, and we will do that by linking the stock exchange to the data vending network of the Vienna Stock Exchange, and we want to invite the large listed Slovenian companies to participate in our roadshows, which we are organizing together with investment banks, with different investment banks, where we are going with these companies to financial centers around the world, for example to London, to New York, to Tokyo, and so on. In the long term, the following projects are planned. We are planning connectivity. That means that we want to link on the technical side the Ljubljanske Stock Exchange to the Vienna Stock Exchange and of course the Budapest Stock Exchange as well. So that it will be possible for traders which are connected to one of these exchanges to trade at the other two exchanges as well. We think it would be necessary and very helpful for the whole markets, for the Slovenian market, the Hungarian market and the Austrian market as well, to harmonize regulations and procedures, and of course to harmonize the rules and regulations for clearing and settlement as well.